If you're trying to access files that are inside the data folder on your Android and you're getting this access is denied, and this is shown when you're using ZArchiver. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now the easiest way to access your files inside the data folder is just to connect your phone and the PC. So once you connect your phone to a PC using the USB cable, you'll be able to access the files that are inside the data folder. Now, sometimes you may not have a PC. Now, here's how you can solve the problem. Now, just download the program that is called Shizuku. You can get it from the Play Store. So you can see here, this is Shizuku. Also download this program from the Play Store. Open this Shizuku app. Now, once you open, you can notice that Shizuku is not running. So we'll need to make sure that Shizuku is running on your phone. Now, what you need to do, you can follow the step-by-step guide that is shown here on how to connect. Or you can just follow the easy instruction that I'm going to show you right now. Now, the first thing you need to do, you have to go to your settings. If you're on Android, scroll down, select About Phone. Also select About Phone, select here on Software Information. Now, what you need to do, you'll have to tap on the build number 7 times. So you'll have to tap 7 times and then unlock the pattern and then click OK to allow. Now it says developer mode has been enabled. So come back again. You can see here there is developer options. Now, once you see developer options, just tap on developer options and then you scroll down. Make sure you enable USB debugging. Click OK. Also scroll down and make sure you enable wireless debugging. So you'll have to allow debug mode when Wi-Fi is connected. So wireless debugging is enabled. Also enable these two, which is USB debugging and wireless debugging. Now come back, select pairing from the Shizuku. Now it says here it will give you instructions searching for pairing device. So what you need to do, you'll have to go to develop options and then select wireless debugging. And then you can see here Shizuku devices. You can either choose pair device with pairing code or pair device with QR code. Now I'm going to choose pair device with pairing code. Now this is the pairing code. Now you can see here pairing service found. Click at the top here. So here is, they'll tell you enter pairing code. Now the pairing code has been shown here. So it is 587128. So 587128. Click send. Now to say pairing successful, you can start Shizuku service now. So go back to Shizuku, come back. Now select start. So wait for the service to run. You can see right now Shizuku is running. Now when Shizuku is running, open ZArchiver. So open ZArchiver. Maybe you may uninstall and then restore it back. But I prefer just to open ZArchiver. Only uninstall if it's not working. So reopen ZArchiver app. And then what you need to do, you'll have to select the 3 dots, go to your settings, select on root, and then make sure to enable type of root access, choose Shizuku. Then use of Android, make sure to enable this too. So you'll have to enable this. This is enabled by default. Also at the top here, choose Shizuku or SUI. So come back. Now close this. And then reopen the ZArchiver app. Now let's access the Android folders on the data. So I'll have to go to data and then let me open maybe like this file, anyone like from Amazon. You can see right now I can access any files inside the data folder. So that's how you can fix this issue. It's very easy. You can see how the problem has been resolved. Let me know in the comment section if it helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.